What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the three biggest L's I've taken while day trading and just trading in general. And we're not only going to talk about my three biggest failures, the three biggest mistakes I made, but I know that these three mistakes are so common all across all kinds of trading, and that's why I want to cover it with you guys so that you guys can try to avoid some of the mistakes, or maybe you made some of them, and if you did, just let me know in the comments down below so we can all cry together. But no, really guys, mistakes are so common while trading that it's going to be part of the game. It's going to take some losses, you're going to have to learn, you have to learn and grow, and it's all part of it. I'm sure you all taken some big mistakes that you wish you didn't, but hey, sometimes you have to pay for your education, and that's how I feel when I took all my losses. As sure I was sad or depressed that I lost money during the time I did, at least I'm happy now looking back and thinking that I paid for my education. So before we get into the video, remember guys, smash the subscribe button down below, leave me a comment what you want to see next, and just hey, check out also the links down below. So one of the biggest first mistake that I ever made while day trading or trading in general when I first started out is I didn't have a plan. I didn't know what I was doing. I just know I had some money, I wanted to invest it, I wanted to make money, I wanted to be one of those guys on Wall Street, I wanted to be one of those big hedge funds guy making millions and millions of dollars every year. But how was I going to do about it? I don't know. I just watched a couple YouTube videos. I was going to start investing, and I didn't have a plan at all. I was just going to buy when I thought it was the right time, and I was going to sell whenever I thought the stock was ready to be sold. So obviously you guys can just tell by the description I gave you guys what my mindset was, why that's such a big mistake to make. And I see so many new traders that don't even think about having a trading plan. They don't even go over it, it's something that they really understand, that when you trade you should have a plan. They just think that you watch some indicators, you watch some videos, you read some news, and you know when to buy and sell, you kind of just have a feel for it, which is completely the wrong way to go about this. When trading, you always need a plan. If you guys don't have one, I'd highly recommend getting a notepad or a book. This is my trading journal, and just before you enter a trade, just write down why you should enter, write down the support and resistance, if you're going to go long, if you're going to go short, why this is a good trade, what indicators you're using, and why those indicators are telling you should take this trade. You find that more often than not, if you write it down, you actually might find out that, hey, it's not really that good of a trade. I don't know what my stop loss is. Yes, you're supposed to set a stop loss before you enter a trade. That's one of the biggest parts of a plan. Because if you can't control your losses, how do you know how much you're going to lose? You could lose 20, 30, 40%. You don't even know. You're just going to keep hoping it'll go up, and maybe it never does. So if you set yourself a stop loss, you can control your losses. And if you set yourself profit levels, you'll be able to control your wins as well. Setting those two levels are some of the biggest important things when writing a plan. So I highly recommend write it down in your journal, notepad, wherever. It can even be on Microsoft Word, wherever you like using. You find that just thinking about it, thinking aloud, writing it down, putting it down on paper, it's really going to change the way you approach trading. It's going to get you out of a lot of trades that you're like, hey, on a second thought, writing it down, this doesn't make sense as much as I thought. I let any emotions take over. So remember guys, the biggest mistake that I see new traders make is they don't trade with a plan. They trade with emotions, and they trade off of just what they think is right, which, hey, it just doesn't make sense. You need a plan with everything in life. You don't just go to school and you take random courses. You go to school and you have a plan. You have a schedule. You know what you're going to take, you know what next semester is going to do, and so on. Just like going to the gym. When you go to the gym and you're going to try to get a rip like I am, well, you need to go and get a plan. You get a meal plan, and you get a workout plan. So approach trading like that. Approach trading with a plan, and I promise you'll get so much better results really, really fast. Don't be like me. Don't be somebody that just enters and trades without knowing why. This is how I really traded my first year, and trust me guys, it didn't end up well for me, and I lost tons and tons of money, and I had to really pay for my education. And please don't make the same mistakes I did. So the second mistake that I see people making is not hitting the like button. Hitting the like button on this channel will guarantee you guys real great educational content for trading, and it will really guarantee you guys really turbo jokes that you can listen and make fun of me for in the comments down below. So what's there to love? Smash the like button. But in all seriousness guys, the second mistake that I see too many people make is seeing FOMO. I see so many times people that are like, wow, this stock jumped 50, 100, 1,000, 5,000%. I'm never going to see anything like it. I need to get in now. I don't know why. I just get in. I'll ask questions later. I don't know why it's jumping. I don't know if it's a pump and dump. I don't know if there's news. I don't know anything. I don't even know if it's a reverse split. I don't know what it is. So let me just get in now and I'll figure it out later. So I see so many people getting in the very top of huge green candles that the stock is so overextended. They get in. Obviously the stock flushes down. It's still overextended. People sell out, take their profits. And those people that were just had FOMO, they just went to get in, just to get in, lost all their profits, and they quit trading because they think trading is a scam. And most people that even get in FOMO, the stock goes down so fast, and they will hope that it's going to go back up. They have some false faith in the company and end up being bag holders. And bag holders are not good bags like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, or Armani bags. They're those bags that will blow up your whole account. So please don't become a FOMO trader. So please don't be one of those guys that get stuck in FOMO. Trust me, there's stocks that jump 100%, 100% all the time just because you see it once. It's not the end of the world. It's not one unicorn. It's sure, you might be an opportunity for you to trade it, but if you don't see the opportunity, you don't know why the stock is jumping, on how you can trade it, just don't trade it. Trust me, you're better off studying and maybe gaining 1, 2, 3% slowly but surely than try to get in a stock that's up 200, 300% and you just want to get in on FOMO and just full of emotions. Like we said before, without a trading plan, you're just going to end up not learning anything, and 99% of the times you're going to lose money. Sure, you might get lucky once or twice and you think you can do this and you made $1,000 here, $2,000 there, but I promise you in the long term that's not going to be sustainable. So don't have FOMO. I know that emotions are so hard to master. That's why I tell people 90% of trading is emotions and 90% of trading is planning. 10% is actually the execution of pressing the buy button and the sell button. But emotions and knowing when to buy, enter, trade is what's so hard about trading. And that's why I recommend people to scale up slowly their accounts. Start with $10, $50, $100 so that you don't have the emotion of seeing the big green or the big red that's going to throw off your trading plan. So please guys, control your emotions. It's easier said than done. I've done it plenty of times. I've seen so many times stocks. The biggest gainers are 100%. I just wanted to get in because I wanted to get in on the hype. The stock would jump $1, $2 every second. And I just want to try to make some quick, fast money. But if you're here to make quick, fast money, just get out of here. Click out the video and just go sell something on the side of the road. So you know how to make quick, fast money in the trading market. You're going to lose really quick and really fast. And the good traders are going to take advantage of you. So please don't have FOMOs and learn to control your emotion before you even take a trade. If you know you're an emotional trader, I always know I was an emotional trader. Please start off small, real small, that you can control your emotions and then you can slowly build up your account, become consistent and profitable. So that's what we're trying to do here, being consistent and being profitable while using a trading plan. Once you have those 3 keys, I promise you'll be one of the top traders in the world. So my third biggest mistake that I made when I first started learning to trade is not spending any time paper trading. So there's a really powerful tool on Thinkorswim, Webull, I'm sure a lot of other brokers have it, which is called paper trading. What is paper trading? You can take trades as if you were really trading, but it's not your money, it's fake money. And my biggest issue is that I wanted to make money quick and I didn't care about paper trading. I knew what I was doing, I was full of myself and I was going to go in and I was going to trade right away. And of course, that didn't work at all. I got in and I lost money right away and I got really upset and frustrated and I had to get out of this hole. It almost was like depression before getting in and becoming a profitable trader. So please, I'd rather spend 1 or 2 months before you even start to get used to whatever your broker even is. How to set a buy order, a stop limit, a stop loss. Now some of those things are you might forget in the middle of a trade because of your emotions. So if you learn them really fast on a paper trade platform, it becomes second nature. You don't have to think about it and it makes you a faster, better trader. I didn't do any of those things. When I first started opening with Thinkorswim, I didn't even know how to set an order. I put some buy market on some random stock and I lost money right away. So please spend time paper trading. So many people had told me to please, Antonio, just paper trade. And I was like, no. I was stubborn and I went to trading myself and I lost money, which I really shouldn't have had if I just spent maybe a couple of days even just paper trading and really taking paper trading seriously. If you take it like not seriously as a game, you have the $1 million or whatever you start off with and you just throw in some random stock without paying attention to it, that's not really paper trading. You really need to take it as if it was your real money. So start off, let's say you only have $500, start off the account using only $500. And I promise if you take it serious, once you get to the real game, the real trading, you're going to do so much better. Imagine it's like a football game. You don't just, people don't just go in a football game or a soccer game, basketball game and just play. They spend months, years training, they practice all week just for that one single game at the end, trying to get to the finals and so on. So imagine trading like that. Imagine the paper trading you're taking is the preseason. So you take some preseason games from preseason weeks and then you finally get into the real trading, which will make you so much better. Because remember, perfect practice makes perfect. Not just practice makes perfect. Remember, perfect practice makes perfect. Don't just practice half-ass. Practice like you're really in the middle of a trade and try to practice on these emotions as well as your actual strategies. Alright guys, so we went over the 3 most common mistakes that traders make. So I went over some of my stories, all the mistakes I made while trading. So hey, if you have some stories, share them down below. If you have some tips, share them down below guys. This is a community at the end of the day, and before I leave, remember to go check out the links down below, join our Discord, join our Facebook group, check out our Instagram, and remember as always, subscribe down below and